Homemade stock, a flavorful foundation for cooking. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic, homemade stock. We'll explore what it is, how it's made, and why it's a cherished ingredient in kitchens worldwide. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of this flavorful foundation. Homemade stock is a liquid made by simmering bones, vegetables, and herbs in water for several hours. This process extracts flavors, creating a rich and savory base used in many recipes. Unlike store-bought versions, homemade stock is customizable and free from preservatives, making it a healthier and tastier option. The beauty of homemade stock lies in its simplicity and versatility. The basic ingredients include bones, chicken, beef, or fish bones are common. Vegetables, carrots, onions, and celery add depth. Herbs and spices, bay leaves, peppercorns, and parsley are popular choices. Making stock is more about technique than a strict recipe. Here's a simple guide. 1. Combine ingredients in a large pot. 2. Cover with water and bring to a gentle simmer. 3. Simmer for hours, skimming off any impurities. 4. Strain the stock to remove solids. 5. Cool and store for future use. Homemade stock is incredibly versatile. It's used as a base for soups and sauces, adds flavor to grains like rice or quinoa, and enhances the taste of stews and braises. It's a secret weapon for adding depth and richness to your dishes. We hope this video has shed light on the delightful world of homemade stock. Remember, making stock is a journey of flavors, so feel free to experiment and find your perfect blend. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.